That's woman.
Okay.
No, I'm a plant.
Be happy.
Okay.
Eh kami wala.
Kayong tatlo. Ay, no! Ay, no more speak. Tagalog. I forgot. Okay? I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I forgot.
Parang ano eh. Parang Black America. Is that all you want?
I'm sorry.
I'm
Oh,
sorry.
I'm sorry.
To you, and you.
So you can do it.
Okay?
It's not okay.
Why are you laughing?
You're laughable.
My English is not correct?
Yes.
You are corrected by.
You know Barok?
Be because Tita Jo is already
What?
Do you sure?
yes. Oh no speak. No speak.
Oy, natin na sila
Di
na.
ba dapat don't speak?
No.
No speak.
No.
I know
Do
what
not
you're
speak
thinking.
because
What?
He will drink.
How many bottles did you have? What? How many?
Ito may nakakadalawang bote parang nating na.
Oh, no. I'm not.
Yes.
No.
Apat na rin.
I'm not.
Mo yan ang Facebook.
I'm not drunk.
I'm not lasing.
Already.
Because okay na eh. Pinagtuwa kasi. I'm not drunk
The battle
yet. Already.
The battle of the Baal.
The bulb. Ilaw yung bulb. Bulb. Ilaw, bulb.
Be quiet.
Battle of the
Because
Baal
you is already listening to us. Okay?
Ay, ayokong binom. Matutuwa ako eh.
Do not speak. Tagalog. Okay? Do not
He
speak.
will not understand you.
Do you understand me?
I can't.
Do you understand me?
I can't.
Okay, do you understand me?
I can't.
No speak. Tagalog, okay? Okay.
Don't speak Tagalog.
Okay?
I can't.
Why? Why you can't? Why?
Ano bang ka-idea yung pagkalit?
Do you know intersection means?
No.
Crossing.
I do not understand you. Because you are drunk. Okay?
You are drunk.
You are drunk.
Ikaw pa lasing.
Okay? Okay.
Tumama rin.
Tumama.
I will drink, okay?
I will drink.
Drink.
Okay, ako na.
Okay.
Kakahiyang kasama sa bar si dito. Hindi ko isama.
Why are you
Umapalit sa
here?
ilog.
Tagalog yan.
Don't speak Tagalog, okay? Why are you
Shy.
shy?
Shy.
I'm ashamed of you.
Bakit? Ay, why? Why?
Because you're very
Delight
talking.
na.
No, just a little bit.
You're very talking too much.
No, a little bit, okay? Just
A little bit of, in my...
What? Wait.
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
Yeah.
Matama.
Where are you going? Hey, man! Men!
Dami, plural.
Men!
Plural.
Men is a man.
Mali na. Ganito na topic
This
kasi.
is Islam. Men.
Tobik.
Man.
Tobik.
Where is it?
Tayo lang
Where is it?
Ganito. Tobik. Mali na kasi.
Where is it?
Teka lang.
Where?
Wait. Hindi
Reaction
gets
lang
ready.
naman.
Hindi na men ngayon. Hey, nigga.
No! Speak Tagalog. Do you understand?
Ay, sabi ko, hey,
Do
nigga.
you understand? No, speak Tagalog. Okay?
Ay, si Tita Jo, Tito Big.
Tagalog's already. Silip-silip.
Don't speak Tagalog. Silip-silip.
No.
What is silip-silip?
That's my opinion.
What is
okay? That's my opinion already.
That's your opinion, ha?
Yeah. That's my opinion.
That's your opinion.
Okay.
What is silip-silip?
Do you understand my English?
No.
You and you. Do you understand?
What is silip-silip?
Silip-silip butas. Yun lang.
Kuliti. Labas kuliti.
Then I will book.
Style.
Yeah.
Sa English ng kuliti, style.
Yeah. No.
Style yun, style.
Because Tita Jo is already
Coming to town.
No. Because
Press Rudolph.
Rudolph.
why are you
Filming.
Kill me.
Hey girl.
Why
girl.
Why are you shooting?
Is that? Okay. Please.
Why are you
Stop
videoing?
that. Why are you shooting? Shooting the camera.
Shooting na.
Kung bargada ako, malang na batuwa mo to, no?
No, speak Tagalog. Do you understand?
We cannot understand. You don't speak
No,
Tagalog.
speak Tagalog. Yes.
Why are you filming?
Hey girl. Why are
What's
you?
up?
Igor.
I know it's make you tough. I wanna get enough.
Mag-message
No,
ka na lang.
well.
Please stop that.
Stop
Okay.
taking me.
Mag-message ka kay Tita Jo. Tita?
Kim.
Hey
Hey.
Jo.
No,
I love you so
baliktad.
much. And
How much do you
I
love
will
her?
always love you.
I will always
love
love you.
Please wait. I'm coming to you.
Kaya nga ang coming in town eh.
Kalawa, di kami town eh.
Okay?
Sige pa, message pa.
No. Please
No more
stop.
message.
Please stop that. Okay?
Stop.
Hey girl, stop.
What's up? Anos.
Where are you going?
He's laughing at you.
Because you're laughable.
Hi. Amen.
Hindi na sa'yo yan. Sa amin dalawa na yung huling tawin.
Why?
Wala na eh.
No, speak Tagalog.
No more finish.
It's no more.
We're done. We're done. Do you want more?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Do you sure? Halika naman,
I'm
IJ.
sure.
I'm sure.
I'm sure.
Parang I'm sure.
I want some more.
Yeah.
Ay, tama. Sumama rin.
I want some more.
Okay.
Parang British lang eh.
I want some more.
Dalaglag.
Why are you laughing, man?
Dalaglag.
Kuha yun sa camera. Kuha ng paparazzi.
Why are you like that? Why are you laughing?
Sinalo.
Ha?
Deb,
Naiiyak ako.